We're back out here on the farm today. We're going to finish our second field of harvest. Drive over. I got everything parked and ready to go. Drive over here real quick. I'll show you guys the lineup. We got both 18-wheelers, the 715 with the balls at grain cart. We got our 3 combines, our S790s and our STS with the American flag. We got the 9620 with triples with the walkabout mother bin. We're going to open up this field real quick and we're going to start harvest. Got the field opened up here. It's going to keep going all the way down and finish up this headland. Must be when we were planting, we missed a spot. It's probably the size of the 48-row planter. We're going to turn the combine around here. We're going to finish the headland. Back it up through this ditch here. Spin it around. So we're going to do a headland on this bottom side. We'll go down to the end of the field and do another headland so the workers can turn around good so that they don't mess anything up. Then we're going to go up and down rows with all 3 combines. We're going to do a time lapse of us finishing up these headlands. We're going to stop the time lapse there. We're going to talk with you guys, go through what Lane's doing. It's been Lane behind the camera the whole time doing all this. Got the 715 with the balls are unloading right now into the mother bin. Seems like it's been running pretty good without using the STS. We're thinking about just keep parking it back across the road in the barn because it doesn't really do as good as we would like it to. With 3 combines. Can't really keep up, as you guys hopefully can see from the last time lapse. I want to figure out how to turn the time lapse down so it's not as fast, so the videos get longer. The Lane can keep up pretty good with these. 2 16 rows, they work pretty good. One thing with the balls of grain cars, you have to brake a long ways before you get to the combine, or else you drive right past it. I did that a lot when I was playing. In the next couple videos, we're probably going to do a big tillage video. That should be a longer one, because we got all these fields of tillage we have to do. But then we'll maybe do a little bit of tillage in this video. Get everything hooked up, ready to go. We have 2 tillage bars right now. We'll probably keep running those. But let us know if we should get rid of the STS and buy 2. I put a Capello pack into this game to where we could have 20 rows or we could have 24 rows. So we could probably get a 20 rows. Hopefully we can keep up for corn harvest. So if you can comment on this video, let thumbs up or something for the Capellos. Just trying to talk to you guys a little bit to make the videos longer. Let you guys know what's going on. If you guys haven't checked out our fishing videos, we've been fishing a lot lately. It's been really cold, on and off, from warm to cold. Caught quite a few fish. Done pretty good. You can go check out some of our live streams that we've done. We've done Farm Sim, Hunter Call of the Wild, NASCAR Heat, World of Outlaws, Rockfest, all those games. We also did a fishing live stream a while back. That was a really good one. Caught quite a few fish. We're hoping to do another one of those this year. Unloading on the go. How full is your other combine? You gonna have to go catch him? We could also start another map here in a little bit. After we do maybe one more harvest on this series. A different map. Smaller. This is really hard to keep up with one person. If we had multiplayer, then we could probably do a lot more, but it's already built, so we can't go back unless you want us to. Lane's gonna go catch this other combine here. Unload it. Let me know down in the comments if you like the time lapse more or us talking. We're gonna stop talking here. We'll get the time lapse going again. We're done with harvest for today, so we're gonna go back to the house. We're gonna go to sleep in the morning. We're gonna get all the equipment, bring it back to the shop, wash it up, and then we're going to truck all the grain back to the bins. Just woke up. We're gonna head out to the pickup truck. We're gonna head over to the field, start hauling equipment back. Bringing the STS back to the farm right now. We're gonna line all the combines up, wash them, then we're gonna put them up in the shop, and then we're gonna start trucking. Washing up the equipment right now. Lane's got both of the S790s washed up here. Got to get the headers. We're going to do a time lapse of Lane trucking, and then we're going to get our tillage equipment ready. Watch them wash for a second. Looking pretty good. So we just got all the equipment parked. We're in the big shop now. 7:15. We got the 9620, and there's a Steiger over there. All three combines are washed and parked. Got our sprayer here. Batwing brush hog. We'll go over into the other barn. Just gonna show you guys all the equipment if you guys are new to the series. We got two of these 45-foot, I believe, grain headers for doing beans and stuff. So we parked over here by the grain bins, big grain bin setup. We got two DB120s in here. We have an underfirth seed tender in this barn. Lane's gonna go through here, close the doors, get everything tidied up here after a big harvest. Got our big air seeder out here. This is, I believe it's a 30-foot header for the STS. In this barn, we got close the doors, we got two of our 18-wheelers, as you guys see in this video. We got the Balzer grain cart, the mother bin right here in this barn. So this is like our grain barn right here. So that's our setup for our farm. We got all of our tillage equipment ready to go. In the next video, we're going to be doing tillage on all of our fields, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Go check out all the other videos on the Farm Sim series. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.